Opening closing report. This report is made from all the closing stock entries that a staff member inputs into the system. Let us see how can we access this report in Petpooja inventory. First, you have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then navigate to inventory section. Inside inventory, you will find a heading for reports, where opening closing report like so will be visible. Once you click here, you can see a screen like so. Filters can be applied on the basis of raw material names, the categories of raw material, from date, to date, as in multiple date range can also be applied here. The search button will kick the filters into action, and the show all button will again bring us to the home page. Let us first understand the column headings. The first heading is for the raw material name. The second heading is for the opening balance of those stock. The second heading is for the closing stock which we input into the system. The average price is the average per unit price of that particular raw material. And the total closing stock cost is the multiplication of closing stock quantity into the average purchase price, which will give us the total amount of stock left with us. Now there's a difference between opening closing report and consumption report. Consumption report is made on the basis of digital inventory, which means whenever bills are punched, that much amount of stock is automatically reduced into the system as per your recipe. But opening closing stock report is made on the basis of closing stock entries done by your staff. So consumption report will essentially show you the digital consumption amount, and opening closing stock will show you the actual physical inventory consumption done in your outlet. Now because we have not posted any closing entry, here it is showing 000. Let us increase the date range and check out the report for the same. As you can see, a report for every day is visible. Because of the multiple date ranges, I cannot see all the dates. So I'll be exporting this report by clicking on Export All and generating an Excel file for the same. You'll be able to see the dates and the columns for the same. So as you can see, for 5th August, the opening stock was this, the closing stock was also the same, the average purchase price was this, and the total closing stock was this. If you will not do any closing entries, the system will auto accept the opening stock as the closing stock. But let us see the case where we've done the entries. Right. So on 24th August, our opening stock was this. The closing stock for that particular day is this. The average purchase price and the total closing stock cost is this. This will give you an idea that how much inventory in terms of rupees were utilized in your outlet. Is the amount justifiable by the number of items you have sold? A negligible variance is still okay, but in case your variance exceeds your expectation, you know that there is some problem or there is some mismanagement happening in your kitchen. You can rectify that by taking necessary steps. If you talk about the report, you can use this Excel format to create custom reports as well. So this was all about opening closing report in Petpooja inventory. Now to access this opening closing report for a particular outlet, you'll have to first navigate to the outlet and then only access the report, as different outlets can have different opening closing stock. So this was all about opening closing report in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.